Okay, we are now ready to start embroidering the S2 piece. So what's next? A part of it has already been embroidered here. You can take a look at the results of the embroidered sections. Let's now demonstrate the straight stitch. We're using 4 strands of floss, color number 3. Straight stitch is a relatively simple stitch. First, we embroider from right to left. Bring the needle out at the end and stitch along the path above. Straight stitches can be short or long. It's usually made of small lines that form a surface. We complete the line using this method. All right, the needle is now at this position. It's a bit tricky to tie it off here. So we'll bring the needle and floss a little closer to the center. This makes it easier to tie the knot. Wrap the floss around twice and pull the needle out. Cut off the floss. Now we're using 4 strands of floss, color number 4. This is a slightly more complex straight stitch. Additional lines have been added to the design. Start the needle from the center. Let's first embroider a cross pattern. Then, stitch 1 more in the center. First, stitch the 2 lines at the top. Then, stitch the 2 lines at the bottom. All right, let's follow the same method we just used. Continue to complete it. Be careful not to pull the floss too tightly. Achieving balanced tension is enough. Let's take a look at the effect of this straight stitch. From simple lines to slightly more complex ones, they all work fine.